Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave, and today we're doing a video on how to take your GoPro out of the case that it comes in when you first buy it. For people that have been using GoPros for some time, this is an obvious thing, but for a beginner that's bought their very first GoPro, this could be a daunting task, and a lot of people are very scared that they're going to damage something when they try and get this GoPro out of its case. Once you know how to do it, it is quite simple and it takes no effort at all. Okay, it's just knowing the technique, and like I said, a lot of people do get concerned that they are going to break something, and these GoPros are not cheap. Let's go ahead and get this GoPro out of its case. Here's your GoPro as it would have come out of the box in its original GoPro case, with the mount that would have been attached to the base of the box still attached. Now this mount obviously comes in very handy for various uses. So to get started with your GoPro, you actually need to get it out of the case to insert your battery, insert your SIM card, also to charge your GoPro, which can't be done while it's in its case. Now you might notice there's some sort of clip up the top, and people try and lift this bit up and do various other things. And because nothing's happening, they are concerned that they're going to break something. So if you look at your case, you need to lever this part here straight up. Okay, it's not that hard. It does take a little bit of effort to get to that stage, especially the very first time you do it. Okay, so don't be concerned you're going to break something. You need to get under there and lever that up. You can do it with your fingers. It doesn't take a monumental amount of effort, but it does take a little bit of effort, especially the first time. Now don't be afraid, you're not going to break anything as long as you just pull straight up and back. Okay? Then this part here levers up, and this thing just folds down like that. Okay? Now you've got access to your GoPro. You turn around, you gently push backwards on it, and then you can just grab it and take it out, and there it is, job done. Okay, you've got your GoPro out of the case, and now you can open the side doors, which you press the button and slide down, and you can open the bottom of it to insert your battery and your SIM card, which go in there. Okay, so there's just some basics how to access things on your GoPro. You've got your charging port and your download port on the side there, and you've got your battery, which does come out easy enough, and your SIM card lives in there, as you can see there. So let's reverse the procedure. You have inserted your SIM card, you put the battery in, you close the battery door, you've had your charging cable plugged in, your GoPro is now charged. So you grab your case, push the GoPro back in there, so it sits in there securely, close the door, hook the little hook under the door there, there's a small lip that it hooks into, and just with one finger, it doesn't take a lot of effort, push down and your GoPro is secure. I've actually heard people complain that this is hard and it hurts their fingers and all that sort of stuff. Well, you don't have to take it out that often. And this thing is, after all, an action camera. The last thing I want to happen is for something to just touch this little thing and it to flick open on its own accord, my GoPro go flying all over the place and getting smashed up. Okay, these things are fairly tough. The case has to be tough. The case protects your GoPro, and yeah, it is not that hard. Okay, you just open it and close it. So there's a reason for it to be hard to open, because you don't want it to come open easily, and you want it to be reliable and secure. Okay, this is not going to come undone by accident. You actually have to get in there and open it. If you found this video useful, please give me a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Any questions, leave a comment down below, or if you've got any other video suggestions or videos you want me to record and publish, leave a comment down below. I'll respond to all comments. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.